For this problem, we're going to use the quadratic formula, which is opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over a 2a. So I need to begin by moving my 9 over to have the whole thing equal to a 0. So I have b squared plus 10b minus a 9 equals a 0. So my a is a 1, my b is a 10, my c is a negative 9. So then we plug into our formula, opposite of 10 plus or minus the square root of 10 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 9 all over 2 times a 1. So negative 10 plus or minus the square root of 100 plus a 36 all over a 2. Negative 10 plus or minus the square root of 136 all over a 2.